Hello friends, in this session we will learn the spline toolbar. The spline toolbar is available in profile toolbar. In spline toolbar there are two commands. First one is spline and second one is connect. Okay, and in connect toolbar there are 5 options: connect with arc, connect with a spline, connect in continuity in points, continuity in tangency, continuity in curvature. Okay, now let's start the session. First of all, we will open the CATIA software. Okay, and after that enter in Sketcher workbench. This is a Sketcher workbench. Okay, now this is the profile toolbar. In profile toolbar there is spline command. Okay, this is a spline command, and this is a drop down button of spline. Just click on it and the spline toolbar is come out. Okay, now this spline toolbar I will place at upper side of taskbar. Okay, now this is a spline command and this is connect command. First of all we will see spline command. Okay, there are two methods to draw the spline. First one is using coordinate, or second one is randomly place the points on the screen in the workbench. Okay, first is this and second is randomly placing the point. Okay, now I will use a second method. First, specify first point, specify second point, specify third point, specify fifth, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and double click. Okay, and select and drag it. Now next is, this is a spline. Okay, next is connect command. Now I will draw one more spline. First, second, third. Okay, and double click. Now we will see connect command. After selecting connect command, here 5 types are visible. First is connect with arc. Now we will see one by one. First, connect with arc. Select the connect with arc command option and select first spline and select the second spline. See here, this is a connected with arc. This is a arc. Okay, next is connect with a spline. Okay, select the first spline, select the second spline. Okay, this is a spline. Okay, next is continuity in points. Now select the connect command and third option is continuity in points. Select the third option and select the first spline and select the second spline. Now these two splines are connected with a straight line. Okay, this is a continuity in points option. Now we will see continuity in tangency. Select the connect command and select the fourth option and select the first spline and select the second spline. Okay, this is a connected with a spline, these two splines. Okay, Ctrl Z and connect, select the connect the command, and fifth option is connect continuity in curvature. Okay, select the first spline, select the second spline. Okay, this is a normal spline. Now we will increase the tension value and we will see the difference between both. Select the connect command and increase the tension value 4. Okay, and now select the first spline and select the second spline. See, this is a after increasing the tension value. Okay, in next session we will learn the conic toolbar. Here this is a ellipse and on drop down button this is a conic toolbar. Okay, thank you.